I stopped romanticizing my goals. This is what my vision board looks like now. I'm sitting down today to make my 2026 vision board, and this is my first time making one. I hope yours is in the making too. I think it's not about pushing harder or doing more, it's about self care, consistency, and literally choosing yourself daily. When I think of 2026, I see a version of myself that is more calmer, more intentional, and just better aligned. It's not about doing more things, but it's about doing right things consistently. My mornings in 2026 look slow and intentional. So, first, we're going to stick a little sun here. I don't want to wake up immediately and grab my phone. I actually want to take out time for myself and skincare. So, we're going to be sticking these two. I've been really intentional about what I'm putting on my skin lately. Simple, calming, and effective. I've started investing mindfully in skincare products. I got all the products from Tira's For You sale, where everything is up to 50% off. Let me walk you through it. I start with the Skin 1004 Madagascar Centilla Hyaluronic Serum. It literally soothes my skin and makes me feel super hydrated with the fresh base that I like. Next is the Clinique Moisture Surge 100H Moisturizer. I prefer lightweight gel creams because it's perfect for my sensitive skin and it makes my skin feel comfortable all day. Sunscreen is non-negotiable for me because I get sunburnt very easily. I use the Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun. It feels so light on the skin, no heaviness and no white cast. And finally, the lip balm. I cannot leave my house without one. The Wishcare Tinted Ceramide Lip Balm. It feels so easy to wear on your lips and gives that little soft tint. I love how I'm becoming that evolved skincare girly. For me, 2026 is all about consistency and sticking to routines that I can actually maintain daily. One thing I really want to work on this year is being more mindful with my phone, less scrolling and more presence. That's why I'm sticking reminders like be present, social media detox, and protect your own peace. It's so important to be present while doing whatever you're doing and just be in the moment. Have that little urgency to be off social media and off your phone. The vision board's looking quite good till now. Another big part of my vision board is eating in a way that actually makes me feel good. No restrictions, no dieting, just nourishing my body and staying hydrated. Guys, I genuinely forget to have water, so I'm literally making it a part of my reminder. I think if you keep yourself hydrated and you eat properly, your mood, your energy, your skin, everything just glows. I feel so motivated suddenly after sticking hundreds of things together. Movement is something which I'm visualizing very differently in 2026. Not those intense phases where you just do it for 2 weeks and then you're bored. I feel we should do something that is way more sustainable. I'm visualizing myself doing yoga and light gym workouts so you feel stronger, calmer, and not pressurized. I want body care to be a ritual and not an afterthought. Like lighting a candle. Recently, I've been loving the Mason Margiela Replica Lazy Sunday candle. It instantly helps me rewind, and the smell, oh my god, you're gonna love it. A long shower with the Body Shop Shea Body Scrub. It leaves my skin smooth and nourished. For hair, I've been using the L'Oreal Professional Absolute Repair Mask. It's lightweight but makes a difference. For everyday hydration, I've been using the body loving Lily Miss Sunshine Body Lotion with SPF. It's something which you can use daily and very easily. Another thing I want to focus on in 2026 is doing things I really love, like experimenting with makeup. I want to lean towards more softer and subtle looks. It's something I used to not do before, but I really want to try it out and see how it looks on me. These Tira Essential face brushes have also been such a staple. They make blending effortless. I finished the look with the Tira Peptin Plumping Lip Balm in Dazzled. I love how comfortable and hydrating it feels. It's one of those products I always reach for. One thing I'm committing to 2026 is never skipping my night routine. No matter how tired I am, I will always do it. I mean, it just takes 5 minutes, but it makes such a big difference. We're getting closer, guys. We're almost done, and I think it's gonna look so beautiful. I remove my makeup using the Tilted Hydro Boost Enzyme Cleansing Balm. It melts everything off and leaves my skin feeling clean and not stripped. I've also recently started using the Wellbeing Nutrition Slow Ultra Strength Magnesium at night, and it's been helping me unwind and sleep better. Trust me, this one is for the books. Ending the day the same way I started, calm, clean, and intentional. Here's my 2026 vision board. Thank you for sitting down and doing this with me. I would love to know what's going on your vision board this year. And wait a second. You can find all my skin loving essentials on Tira's For You sale with everything up to 50% off.